guys, it's me Gabe. Today's July 17, Wednesday morning here in Bangers. And today I'm going to be talking about blueberry raspberry smoothie. Okay, but before we begin, I'm going to let you know what I had for breakfast and what I did this morning. So, I worked out for about an hour and I feel great. For breakfast I had juice, one banana, and a glass of water, and I feel fantastic. And supposedly I'm waiting for my friend today. He's supposed to be calling me from the Middle East, so hopefully I'll be expecting his call and hopefully be seeing him soon, because we like working out together and going hunting. So, okay, so anyways, today I'm going to be talking about blueberry and raspberry smoothie. Why am I talking about blueberry and raspberry smoothie? Because why the fuck not? Okay, so, how you make it is, this is how you make it. I'm going to show you how you make it, okay? I have the ingredients over here, and I'm going to show you how you make it, okay? Alright, just give me a second. Let me go get it. Okay? Okay guys, so this is how you make the blueberry and raspberry smoothie. So what you need is, you need your frozen raspberries. You can get these at Tops for about 100 or 200 baht. Okay, so you need to put 3/4 quarter cup of that in the whatchamacallit, the freezer. Okay. And then you need your blueberries. So as you can see, these are the blueberries that are frozen. Okay, and they expire 2020, so you don't have to worry about expiration date as long as you keep them in the freezer. Okay, and then you need your make sure you put like you can put 3/4 cup of that also in, and make sure you put like 1 or 2 tablespoons of your flaxseed. Flaxseed is very good for you. It's an organic product. As you can see, it's a superfood. You have your omega-3, 6, and 9. You have your fiber, lignans. You have your protein, and it's all right there, guys. Okay, and this expires. I believe it expires. Oh shit. This expires in December. Okay, so I have July, August, September, October, November, December. I have about 6 months to finish that, so I don't know if I'm going to finish that or not, but I'll try. Okay, and then if you don't have the blueberries that are frozen in the freezer and the raspberries that are frozen in the freezer, what you can do is you can get 4 ice cubes, okay, for 1 glass. So get your fresh blueberries and your fresh raspberries and mix it with 4 cubes of ice, and you can blend that in your blender. Now you have to have a blender to make this. Now there's different ways to make it. Now I'm going to tell you how not to make it and how you can make it. Now when I went to Tops, some girl, she served me the blueberry raspberry smoothie. And when I tasted it, I'm like, what the hell did you put in it? And she said she put salt and sugar. I'm like, what the hell? Why would you put salt and sugar in it? So Thais have a different taste. They like salt and sugar in their smoothies. And that's not very healthy for you. Salt's not very healthy for you. Sugar's not very healthy for you. I like my blueberry raspberry smoothies fresh, which means only blueberry and raspberry with ice. That's it. And that's the best way to make it, because you wanna be healthy. Another thing I want to tell you guys is making smoothies all the time is not that healthy for you. You have to be eating fresh fruits and vegetables every day. And I want to tell you something. Smoothies, they say, oh, it's very healthy for you, it's good for you. Actually, no, it's not. So try to limit your smoothies like once a week or once every other day, because if you have a smoothie every day, they say it's not good for you. Okay, so another thing I want to mention is that you definitely want to have your flax seeds in there, because they taste great with flax seeds. And one more thing I want to tell you is that when you make the smoothie, okay, you can definitely enjoy yourself. So you can have it at different times of the day. You can have it in the morning, you can have it at lunch, you can have it in the evenings, and you can have it whenever you want it. And also, the reason, also what I want to tell you is you can mix pretty much any fruit in there as you want. I like making fruit smoothies. I tried to make vegetable smoothies and I failed. Supposedly vegetable smoothies is the healthiest for you, but it's really hard to make because you gotta know which vegetables to mix, and how much to mix it with, and which fruits to mix it with. So it's just a headache. So I just make these easy smoothies that you can find on the internet online. Also, another smoothie that I recommend is also called banana and mango smoothie. That's insane. I know how to make that. You just mix it, and that's it, with ice, and then that's all you need, and also the flaxseed. So banana mango smoothie is also great. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and I'll try making different videos about different topics. And yeah, so today it's very hot in Bangers. It's not raining, and like I said, I hope you're enjoying my videos, and I hope that these videos can help you on your day-to-day healthy choices. Also guys, whenever you want to buy a smoothie like out in Bangers, one more thing I want to mention is that a secret I'm going to tell you that you should all know. Wherever you go, if you're in America, if you're in Bangkok, or wherever you're at in the world, make sure you tell the staff no sugar, no syrup, and no sugar. You say to say that in Thai, no sugar is mai sai nam dang, and to say that in Thai, you say mai sai tuang. Okay? So that's how you say it. And anyway, I hope you're enjoying my videos, guys. And yeah, so make sure, because restaurants, they love to put sugar and syrup in your drinks, and it's making you fat, and you don't even realize it. Okay guys, so I hope you're enjoying my videos. Take care and have a nice day, guys. Peace out, and I'm out of here, okay?